What's up mga pards? Welcome back again to my channel. Of course, it's me again, your Kuya Pards. So good morning, good evening, and good day sa inyong lahat. And again, it's evening time here. I just came home from work again. And right now guys, I'm going to do another unboxing. Umabot ako ng tatlong unboxing.
At ang mga vlogs na regarding food, kita nyo naman healthy, di ba? Joke. His hobbies is eating and reading. His province is Cebu City. So everybody, Kuya Pards!
Before we proceed guys, please to those who are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng mga susunod kong mga gagawing videos. Ayan, so right now guys, we will do an unboxing. This one guys, another gift from a friend. So along with my gimbal stabilizer, so another friend who gave me this gift is my friend Muhammad Abulila. So mega shout out to my Egyptian friend, the handsome and good and kind friend Muhammad Abulila. Mega shout out to you. So this one guys is a gift from him, and this one is I don't know how to use this one. Nowadays I've seen a lot of people with mga headset na putol. Ano tawag doon? So ang tawag pala nito is earbuds. So this is true wireless. This is wireless stereo earbuds. Ayan guys. Ayan. So may pag ganun-ganun naman tayo. Chinchanso kayo dyan. Shoutout mga ka-chinchans. Ayan. So so this is brand new. It's Honor. So di ba merong mga Samsung, merong mga ano pa ba yan? Mga, of course iPhone. Ang Apple pala. Ang brand nito is Honor. So ganito lang siya. Ayan. No, parang ano lang, yung headset na pinutol. Ayan no. And then yes. And then inside the box it comes the manual. So I don't know how, I'm sure I don't know how to use this one. So I will go through all this because I love books and I love reading. So here. So, ganito lang siya guys. Ang liit. So, ayan. And then, nakaano siya. Wow. Everything nowadays is being packed tightly. So, remove this one. Parang siyang candy. Nakabalot siya. Oh my God, how to remove this one? Okay, stickers. So, ayan. Liit lang yan guys. Ay, ganito pala. Wow. So, what is the next thing to do is, I don't know. Okay. So, ito siya guys. So, it's white. Ayan. Ayan. So, meron siya. Let's use my reading glass again. Ayan. Meron siyang guys, meron siyang dapat pala yung talagang which is left, which is right. So my left, my right. Ayan. So ito wait. So ayan, letter L. So left. So kaya dito siya nakalagay pala. Now, when I open this one, meron siyang color indicator dito. May color blue. Yan, nag-blue siya. May close. Ito siya. So now, how to use this one? Oh my God. I think there is a pairing. May pairing na naman to. guys. Ay, kakahiya. Hindi ko marunong gumamit. And then, may pairing mode talaga. Pairing. So, pupunta ako sa ano. So, gamitin ko naman to. Cellphone ko. So, how to do pairing? So, ito guys, nakita ko dito ang wireless earbuds kung nababasa nyo guys. Wireless earbuds. Kung nababasa nyo. So, i-click ko siya. So, it's pairing now. And then dito, so it's pairing now. And connected na siya. And then as you notice, nagbi-blink siya dito. Then I have to check where this is left. So, lagay ko siya dito. Yan na yan. And then, this one naman is right. So, lagay ko dito. Ganun pala yan. And then, I'll try to listen to music. Ayan guys. Ang galing! Ayan guys, ang galing niya. Oh. Ito lang pala. So I'm listening to a music now from YouTube, and then the quality of the quality of the sound, the music, especially the quality of the sound is so nice. The bass, everything, it's cool. Napakaganda niya guys, napakagaling. Ganito pala yun. Oh. And guys, so ang galing pala nito. Ayan. Tapos I think whenever there's a call, I can also talk or speak from here. Ang galing, kaya pala yung mga tao naglalakad, nakaganon, nakaalis sa mga salita ng salita, kasi ito lang pala. na ignorante ako guys. Ayan, ang galing pala nito, oh my god. So stop ko muna to. Ayan, so pag may tawag, so instead of holding your phone like this, so just keep it in your pocket or somewhere, and then just talk with this earbuds. Oh my god, with these earbuds in your ears. So yeah. Ang galing niya guys, kasi naka-pause ito. Tapos pag ginanon ko siya, may rin pala dito, may control dito. Tinatap ko lang siya, tapos pag tinap ko siya, nag-play. And then pag tinap ko siya, nag-stop. Wow, galing. Galing. Wow. Ang galing oh. Tapos itap ko siya, nag-stop siya. Tapos i-play ko siya, nag-play siya. Ayan. So that's it guys. Tatanggalin natin to. Wow, thank you so much. This is amazing. Ang ganda pala nito. And then here, also including in the box is, wow, ano to? Let me see, what is this? Okay, for example, yung tawag nito guys, pag luma na, so meron siya ng replacement, diba? Mayroon siya. Ayan, palit mo dito. Oh, it comes with many pieces. So 3 pairs. No, 3, 4. Then was here. So 5 lahat pala. Yan ang galing nito. And then another is yung siya. Yung micro USB again. So pala, i-charge siya dito. Ayan. Nag-indicate. Pag siya, pag close siya, automatic siya. Pag buksan siya, yan yung light indicator din na gano'n nag-open. And then we have to put it back. So this is the right. So right is here. And then the left, put it here. And then close. Naglulubat din pala to. So like that, and then charge siya. And then we will check gaano katagal yung battery niya, yung duration niya. Hala, again made in Marilao, Bulacan. Hindi ko mabasa. Ano siya, German? So yun, ginanong ko siya, tap ko siya twice, left or right, nag-pause and play siya. Ayan, ito pala, kaya pala. Then calling operations, that's the left or right. Earbud twice, answer the call. Okay. Ito lang, no need to answer the phone from here, but instead, for example, this is left. Lagi ko yung left dito. So for example, yung left, pag may call, i-tap ko lang siya twice, so which I did before. Tinatap ko siya, tap twice, nag-stop yung music. Tap twice, nag-play siya. So the same as the call, pag halimbawa, while listening on music, when there's a call, so I have to, instead of accepting your call from here, so you have to tap twice here, and then you're accepting the call, and then start the phone conversation or whatever. Ang galing pala nito. Ayan. And I need to put it back. Ang galing. Thank you so much for this gift. Ayan. So I have to put it back here, and then like that. And then this is the USB cable, micro USB to charge. So I will check later. Again, I will read through all these manual kung ilang oras ang charging. Ayan. Oh my God. So this talaga guys, this year, this Christmas, this birthday ko, dami ko talagang I feel so blessed talaga guys. Starting from your mga super chats, and then mga gadgets. Actually, ako guys, never na ako mag-pray or mag-wish ng mga material things. And then it so happen na God is always good talaga, na there are people na talaga napakabait, who give all these who give all these gifts. So yeah, I'm excited to use this one. I will start using this one tomorrow. So ang galing dito. So guys, once again, this has been your Kuya Parts. Once again, thank you so much for always following me. Thank you for always supporting Kuya Parts. Kahit si Kuya Parts sobrang busy sa work. At minsan pasilip-silip na lang talaga sa mga GC, sa mga premiere, but yet you're still always there supporting me. Thank you so much. And then once again, I would like to do some shout out this time again. I would like to shout out Jackie Lake TV. I miss you, Sisi. Super pretty, super beautiful little Sisi ko, Hong Kong. And then ang another diva sister ko na si Adriana Box na Butuan City. Yes. She's now a bona fide resident of Butuan City. So ayan. And also of course to her hubby, Miss Tikis. Ayan. And I would like to shout out si Sadiayo, Team Tabor Life in USA, Norin Away. Ayan, mga team leaders, Nita Julio My Journey, and sino pa? Marami. Ayan, so Inday Rose Legura, Engineer Marty, lagi ko talagang shoutout ang mayaman na vlogger ng Cebu City, ang inaanak ni Marty Rivera, pamangkin ni Jose Marichan. best friend ni ni Samuel B at kumpare ni Toy Yonting na binoto ko nung The Voice pagkatapos nila ako pinansin. Joke lang guys, so ayan. And mega shoutout to ni Mr. Chin Chanso, Kabukit, Chin Chanso. Shoutout, ayan, Kuya Mo Aris. Of course, ang amazing and great Pisot vlogger of Jinsan City, Roshem, Alex. Ayan, of course, Mas Jen Channel, Himala Vlogs, used to be El Karim Vlogs. Mega shout out to all the members of Team Kulkul. Mega shout out to all of you. Premier 101, Sis Nurin Ewe, the admin, and to the rest of the members of Premier 101, mega shout out. And then Sis Victoria Limardel, YouTube friends, ayan, mega shout out to all the members of YouTube friends. Nagwantin doon si Sis Victoria Limardel. And then Sis Adiayo, Team Adventure, and then in the whole You My Journey, ayan. Mega shout out sa inyong lahat. And then Janet Trio Mix Channel, mega shout out, ayan. Marlix Journey, Sis I miss you, mega shout out to you, ayan. Dami kong dapat i-shout out guys, pero next time naman yung iba, ayan. Bro Alan Cabato, ayan, si Projects Archive, mega shout out sa inyo. Budget TV, Villarreal TV, Mr. Gin Vlog TV, mega shout out, ayan. Maraming salamat si Lolito Vlogs. Mega shout out. So actually guys, marami pa guys. So next time naman yung August, si Scarlett, si Loterio, never ever ko makalimutan yan. Ayan, kasi marami yang she's playing a big part of my YouTube live, YouTube journey talaga. So yan guys, ayan, I'm so happy for this. Ayan. Yan, inubot tuloy. So yun guys, thank you so much guys, and to those who so yun guys, maraming salamat to those who so yun guys, to those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comments, and most of all, don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong mga videos. And this has been your Kuya Part, your small YouTuber, and will always be your small YouTuber, saying God bless and see you on my next video.